In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to make money online with Builderall in 48 hours, and this is part 2 of the video. So if you have not watched part 1 of it, I'm gonna leave it over here. Make sure you watch it. Now, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed, as I will get back to you. Alright, so in the last video, I shared with you this funnel that is working really freaking amazing. And let me hop into my computer and show you some results that I've been getting lately, just started promoting. And also, this video, I'm gonna share with you, if you are part of a Builderall user already, so you're into Builderall, I'm going to share with you how you can still get this funnel, right? So right here on my computer, this is my Google Ads account. And let me go ahead and share with you this. So I've spent 10 euros right here yesterday, and it got me 23 clicks. Now this is USA and United Kingdom traffic only, so it's tier 1 traffic. With this traffic, I managed to get this amount of leads, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So about 17 leads that I got off of these right here, of these clicks right here. So the opt-in rate is very high. I might got some clicks off of YouTube, but mainly is from this traffic source right here as I'm testing this funnel. So now from this clicks, from these 10 bucks that I spent, watch right here. I got right here these leads, active. So this person is on the free plan, and I got 2 people active, meaning they paid to get access to this funnel, right? Meaning they paid, they might stay on the Builderall platform, and I will get recurring income as they stay on the platform. And also they go through the upsells that I have on the funnel, and I'm making money. So as you can see, with just 23 clicks, I got 2 active leads, and 2 people went through the funnel and actually registered. So, but I got 2 sales off of 10 bucks. So just to show you that this funnel is rock solid, converting like crazy, as you can see right here. And by the way, this is just today. I sent the traffic yesterday. This is today. But now keep in mind that they have a follow-up that will convert more people, okay? So just to show you. Now back here, let me show you this page, because this page right here, I'm gonna leave a link below in the comment section and also in the description, which, by the way, if you already have Builderall, right, then go to this link so you can grab this funnel for yourself. I'm gonna show you right now how to get it. Now, if you don't have Builderall and if you wanna get started with this, then I also have a link for part 1 of this video, which is gonna be below as well. So if you don't have Builderall, watch part number 1, okay? So if you have Builderall and you already have Builderall, so you are a user of Builderall already, then go to this link right here, okay? Then what you're gonna prompt is you're gonna be on this page where it has things that you can get for your business to get this funnel. So if you don't want to buy all the upsells that are here, which I recommend you buy at least 2, which is this number 1, which is all the following up. If you want, you can buy this. If not, just click here, no thanks. Then it's going to bring you to another upsell, which is traffic. So if you need traffic, I recommend you buy this. If not, just say no thanks here on the bottom. This is VIP group support. If you want to buy this, if not, just say no thanks. This upgrade right here, it's for you to become an affiliate for the upsells and get 50%. I bought this, I recommend. So if you don't want this, just say no thanks. And this is also another upsell to book a strategy call where they're gonna set up everything for you if you want that route. If not, just say no thanks so you can get the funnel, right? And you land on this page right here, which is this page is the page where it's gonna teach you how to duplicate the funnel for yourself. And if you scroll down here, it's right here, import your funnel below, right? And then you scroll down and here, download funnel into your Builderall account. So when you click this button, it's gonna open the funnel into your Builderall account. And then you're ready to, edit and just get it ready. Which, by the way, these videos right here will teach you how to set up the funnel for yourself, okay? I hope that is making sense. So that's how you grab the funnel if you have already your Builderall account, right? And again, if you're not a Builderall user and if you want to get this funnel, just watch part 1 video, which is going to be in the description below. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. I am so blessed to be alive and grateful that you are here. Thank you so much. Thank you for being part of my family. I really appreciate you. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, if you want, hit that subscribe button, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. And if you want, smash the like button. Thanks. Have a blessing day, and I will see you next time.